All's my life I has to.
YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Buckhead, and I'm about to react to, first of all, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you enjoyed your New Year's, and I hope prosperous and great things happen to you in this New Year. So, right now I'm about to react to this bad blip reading, the Seagulls, Empire Strikes Back. I was supposed to react to this a while ago. I would have did it earlier, but my phone's been acting up. For some reason, I have no idea what's going on. But, hopefully I got it together. So, let's go.
Any for your thoughts? I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants. Snuffling a little music can't help. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now.
I like it.
Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come.
Goddamn Yoda.
And they did. They did. Let me go like. Nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell.
This is so dope.
These
How
kids
did you do this?
got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? I run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run, 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 jump.
Yeah.
Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah. Show you some dance moves. No, I don't want you to. If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could about run those birds. You're psycho wiener. Let me grab my Peter.
Stop it, please. Don't hit me. Please. Don't hit me.
Come on, man, quit that banging. Hey, what's that stank? You put a fish in our basket. Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that. You owe me an apology. Just hold your breath and see when the time's right. Birds will back your face. Now run, 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 jump. I can be your backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump. Now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. And I rolled the log over.
Yo, it's so
Underneath
crazy
was a
watching
tiny
Yoda talk
little
like that.
stick.
Oh,
And
now
I was like, that log
I'll
is
just keep watching.
Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a
Boulder?
while you're lying there screaming, come help me, please, seagull, on your knees. Stop it now.
This is so dope.
Yeah, whatever, you're sort of pitchy.
Oh, and then he goes,
Listen, man, I'm not your friend. Don't fall asleep.
oh shit.
Fall asleep. Stop it now.
Alright. That was dope. It's crazy how you can do that. Like, you can do the whole bad, like, change the whole words around and change the whole dynamic of a scene like that. That's so dope, man. It because Yoda, The fact that it's Yoda saying all this stuff, like that, especially the end part I like, when he's told him don't fall asleep and he changes his voice. This is amazing. These guys are amazing, man. This is my first one I actually saw from them. I try not to, I catch stuff when I see it, you know what I'm saying? YouTube has so many different kinds of videos and so many artistic things that people are doing. I'm just happy to see something like this because this is dope. You know what I'm saying? I wish I could do something like this, you know what I'm saying? To be honest with you, man. It made it go seamlessly with the song. It's amazing, man. These guys are dope. Ballad reading, salute to y'all, man. I hope y'all nothing but more success than you're already getting right now. I appreciate seeing shit like this, man. You know, I know everybody likes to say like, oh, you know, YouTube is starting to get watered down and all that other stuff, but you know, it's good to see people like this, you know, still have a creative mindset to what they do with their videos. This is dope. I'll try maybe to check out some more of them for them, you know, depending on how they feel. I'm not sure how they, you know, it's a new day, so you don't never really know how people gonna take. Well, it's not like I dissed the video or anything, but you know, sometimes people don't like, you know, some people don't like reactions, man, so it is what it is. But these guys are amazing. This is dope. I'm definitely gonna try in the near future to hit one of these up, look one of these up again, and hope you guys the best, man. I love seeing shit like this, man. For real, I love creative shit like this. But that's my time for right now, man. Hopefully you guys like, share, subscribe if you like the video. Definitely check out Bad Lip Reading because they're amazing. And yeah, that's about it, man. Peace out. Till the next video.